If you've been wanting to build a strong, aesthetic, and powerful body without going to the gym or spending on expensive equipment, this video is made exactly for you. Today, I'm going to walk you through a beginner-level calisthenics workout routine that you can do right at home. By following this, you'll be able to build a solid, athletic, and visually impressive physique using nothing but your own body weight. A lot of people believe you can't gain real strength or an aesthetic body through calisthenics. But let's clear that up right now. You've probably heard of Bruce Lee, right? He was known for his incredible speed and power. The man could literally do a one-finger push-up, and his one-inch punch is legendary. And his entire training style was based on calisthenics. That's where his strength and explosiveness came from. Even athletes like Cristiano Ronaldo and actors like Chris Hemsworth still include around 60% calisthenics in their training routines. That's one big reason they've built strong, well-balanced, and injury-free bodies. So if you're ready to transform your body and mindset from home using calisthenics, type "I'm ready" in the comments. And stay with me till the end of the video, because this might be the start of your transformation. Now, let's break things down in simple terms. Calisthenics is basically strength training using your own body weight. It improves your strength, flexibility, and mobility, helping you build a lean, muscular, and powerful body right from home. It burns excess fat, builds lean muscle, and requires zero equipment or gym membership. All you need is discipline and consistency. Day 1, upper body workout. To build a strong, dominant upper body, start with 3 push-up variations. 1, normal push-ups. Place your hands shoulder width apart on the floor. Keep your body straight and lower yourself slowly while feeling the muscle tension. Do 4 sets of 12 reps each. That's your foundation. 2, incline push-ups. Place your hands on an elevated surface and perform the same motion. Again, 4 sets of 12 reps. 3, decline push-ups. Place your feet on a raised surface and hands on the ground. Keep your form tight and move slowly. Do 4 sets of 12 reps. This entire session will take only about 30 minutes, but it's going to build your chest, shoulders, and arms into a strong, defined shape. Stick with it, and you'll notice results even from day 1. Day 2, chair dips. For your triceps, all you need is a chair. Place your hands on the edge of the seat, feet out in front, and lower your body until your elbows reach a 90-degree angle. Then push back up. Do 3 sets of 12 reps while focusing on feeling the tension in your triceps. It's common to feel soreness or muscle pain on the second day, especially if you're new to training. That's just your muscles adapting and getting stronger. Stay consistent. Energy dips are normal in the beginning, but they fade away once your body adjusts. Day 3. Wide arm pull-ups. If you want that V-shaped upper body, wide arm pull-ups are a must. Do 3 sets of 12 reps, and you'll feel your back and biceps working together to build that athletic, classic shape. If pull-ups are too tough at first, start with Australian pull-ups. You can do these at a local park or on any sturdy surface. They'll train your shoulders, biceps, and back, helping you unlock more advanced movements later without risking injury. Day 4, lower body training. For your legs, the best beginner calisthenics move is the squat. Keep your back straight, lower yourself down like you're sitting on a chair, and come back up. This simple exercise strengthens and tones your legs, giving them shape and balance. To push it further, try jump squats. Do 4 sets of 12 reps, and trust me, you'll feel that explosive burn in your legs. These build strength, endurance, and power at the same time. Once you're comfortable, challenge yourself with pistol squats, a single leg squat that builds extreme strength and balance. If you can master that move, you've officially reached an advanced level of calisthenics. Day 5, core and abs. Now let's train your core, the foundation of your entire body. Start with planks. Hold the plank position with your back straight and core tight for 30 to 60 seconds. Do 4 sets of 12 reps. You'll feel your abs and belly area tightening, a clear sign your core is activating and your belly fat is burning. Next, do leg raises. Lie flat on your back and lift your legs up to a 90-degree angle. Do 4 sets of 12 reps. This targets your lower abs and helps melt away stubborn fat from your midsection. Stay consistent for a week and you'll start seeing visible definition. Routine progression. After completing these 5 days, repeat the same cycle from day 6 onward. Push, pull, legs, and abs. Within just a few weeks, you'll notice your strength improving dramatically. Once that happens, gradually increase your reps or sets. This is called progressive overload. This routine will sculpt your body into a lean, aesthetic, and athletic shape, all from home. Remember, results only come if you maintain proper form and consistency. Take one rest day each week, usually Sunday, but stay active the rest of the time. Always warm up before working out to avoid injuries. You'll start noticing changes within the first 2 weeks, not just physically, but mentally too. Calisthenics strengthens the mind-muscle connection, helping you move better, react faster, and stay in control. You become more agile, more confident, and more capable in every part of life. So start your calisthenics journey today. And if you're serious about leveling up your fitness, drop a comment below. Once we hit 300 comments, I'll release the advanced calisthenics workout video, the next step in your transformation. Thanks for watching, everyone, and I'll see you in the next one.